Hello, my name is Steve Reeves, and it looks like you just had some strenuous exercise. Now, it's time to have my custom shake, which will build that lean body mass. Let's get started. You will need 14 ounces of freshly squeezed orange juice, 1 tablespoon of gelatin, 1 tablespoon honey, 1 banana, 4 raw eggs, pasteurized of course, 3 tablespoons of egg whites, a 1/4 cup of skim milk, and 1/3 cup of soy protein. Making my custom Steve Reeves protein shake is easy. Begin with the orange juice first and then continue by adding each ingredient one after the other. Plop all those vitamin-packed, nutrient-filled bodybuilder items into your blender and, once you're finished, hit puree. Whether you're off to play Hercules or just finished hitting the weights, this protein-packed protein shake is sure to be a hit. Now that is a good shake, made by me, Steve Reeves. If you want to gain muscle, try my shake. It's delicious.